Hello, FRM and CFA enthusiasts. My name is Jerry, and I'm currently pursuing my FRM program and taking the FRM lecture notes from Deepak. I want to personally recommend Deepak for all those who want to pursue their FRM or the CFA charter. Deepak is one of the very fine lecturers you can find around, and is very good at his work. One unique thing about Deepak is his availability to attend to your issues one-on-one. In case you have a concept that you are struggling to understand, all you need to do is to let him know, and he will schedule a time for you one-on-one and explain the concepts to you. Currently, I'm taking the FRM level 1 course with him, and I'm actually enjoying my time with him. I recommend Deepak to you, and you will never regret it. Thank you.